Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix video driver crashed and was reset on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start. Now here type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here expand Display Adapters. Now right click on Display Driver. Then click on Update Driver. Now select here Browse my computer for drivers. Now here select, let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select driver. This is the basic one, and if you have any specific, so select that one. Then click on next. Then click on close. Hopefully guys, this method will work. Just you have to restart. And after restart, still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on Start Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Now here guys, you will see option Video Playback. Click on Done. So follow suggestions and after restart again. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve video driver crashed and was reset on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.